Welcome all. Today we discuss about an important topic data structure. So, topic name is topological sort. Uh, so, the topic name is topological sort. Before this, I tell about what is sorting. Sorting means arranging or ordering the data. We know many sorting techniques used to arrange the numbers like insert sort, quick sort, merge sort, selection sort, trading sort. What is specific in this topic? Ordering the or arranging the vertices in the directed acyclic graph. What's a DAG? DAG means it just have the direction in the graph with no cycle forming. So, topology solution ordering of vertices in the directed acyclic graph. The travel started from source node VA to VJ. Travel started from VA to VJ. For example, in online course registration system, current registering course must be checked with their course prerequisite completion through topological sort. Clear? Based on our example, we won't consider as a basic computing. We won't consider as basic computing. V2 consider as object-oriented programming. V3 consider as computer graphics and multimedia. V4 consider as data structure. V5 consider as design and analysis of algorithm. V6 consider web services. V7 considers cloud computing. This is the DH representing steady plan structure of the process. So now we can do the procedure for the problem. This procedure, which is based on the to-do list. First of all, to compute the integrity of all vertices in the graph. Then find the integrity zero vertex process first. Integrity means how many incoming edges for the node. Then delete the integrity zero vertex from the directed acyclic graph and enqueue in the priority queue. Then decode the integrity zero vertex from the priority queue and print it as the output. So it returns a not a vertex if no such vertex exists. This indicates that the graph has a cycle. See, this algorithm of the topology sort. This is started from white. This is top shot. This is top shot is nothing. That is a method name. Okay. So G is a graph name. Then open curly brace. Q of Q. This is a Q is a Q name. Then unset the indi counter. Okay. Then declare the vertex V comma W. Okay. So based on the to-do list, Q equal create Q of number vertex. So make null. We make null of Q. Whenever when we are get the make null up to continue this process. Okay. This is started from 0. So counter equal to 0. So for each vertex V, if integrity of V equal to 0, then NQ of E comma Q. That means enclose the V comma Q. That means order the V comma Q. So while not is a empty of Q, so give the open curly brace V equal to dq of Q. So based on the priority queue, we delete the node from the queue. Okay. So top number of V equal to now plus counter. That means the counter equal to incremental Q. Okay. So that means assign the next number. So count already started from 0. Now assign the next number means plus 1. Okay. So counter equal to 1. So for each W adjacent to B, if of integrity of W equal to 0, so now NQ of W comma Q. Based on the to-do list, this steps continuously repeated the steps. Okay, that means the same steps repeated for odd adjacent node. Okay. So, if counter not equal to number of vertex, that means error came because this is a no cycle format. DH directed, sorry, no cycle format. No. So now, if of counter not equal to number vertex, so now error occur because graph has a cycle. Now dispose the queue. Now free the memory. Is it clear? So result of applying topology sort to the graph. See, see the graph. Now, which is see the graph. In this graph, which is the no incoming edges. That vertex first deleted from the graph. Which is the no incoming edges? V1. Okay. So this is the outgoing. This is outgoing. This is it. V1 is the no incoming edges. This is printed. Okay. Printed in NQ list V1. Okay. Then again see the graph. So this is a deleted from the graph. No. So next we see which is the no incoming edges V2 because it is deleted from the graph. Okay. So now you check it V2 vertex 2. So V2 is a no incoming edges. So this is also deleted from the graph. Okay. This is which is this is based on the priority queue. Okay. So what is the next? NQB2. Okay. Then see the graph. V3 or V5, which is the no incoming edges. So V5. Already V1, V2 deleted from the graph. NQ in the priority queue. So next we see V5. V5 is the no incoming edges. Okay. So this is a NQ in the priority queue V5. Okay. Then see the graph. Okay. Already V1, V2, V5 deleted from the graph. Then V4 check it. Which is the you check it in you check it the four vertex from the graph V4, V3, V6, V7. Okay. Remaining vertex is here V3, V4, V6, V7. Okay. So see in this four, which is the no incoming edges V4. So NQ in the priority queue. Okay. See. So B4. Okay. Then check it. Already B1, B2, B5, B4 deleted from the graph. Okay. Okay. So then check it. This three. Okay. P3. So this is a no incoming edges. This or this. Take it. Okay. Which is the from this three, which is the no incoming edges? B7. Okay. So B7 because no incoming edges. Okay, B7. Then NQ in the priority queue. Then B6. So finally get the output. What? B1, B2, B5, B4, B3, B7, B6. Okay. So first of all, V1 deleted from the graph, then NQ in the priority queue, then V2, then V5, then V4, then V3, then V7, okay, then finally V6. Okay. V1, V2, V4. Okay. Then DQ. DQ from the graph V1, V2, V5, V4, V3, V7, V6. NQ in the priority queue. Okay. So DQ from the graph, but NQ in the priority queue. So the time complexity of the topology sort is order of E plus E. Okay. What is the application of the topology sort? Job scheduling in the cloud computing. That means which is used for ordering of the task. Okay. Then creation of directed acyclic graph for the cloud compute network. Okay. And then finally, it uses the topology sorting technique for ordering the vertices in a directed acyclic graph by considering the cloud host as vertices and the connections between the posts as edges. Is it clear? A references is more common ways. Data successful algorithm analysis in C. E. So, THI Horman, Introduction to Algorithms, to the MIT.